extension sequence. Another great way to practice the extended shape is to use sequences. Here's an example. Just remember the slides between these two positions when ascending through the scale, and again between the same two positions when descending. Now let's play that one more time at a slower tempo. Slide. 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 Now it's your turn to practice. You can start by looking at your fretting hand when you practice. Then, after a while, you should try to focus only on the screen while playing. Good luck.